From dawn to dusk, we're toiling away under the sun, where we bear the sway. With every breath, the struggle we confess. In life's tough game, we're doing our best. Life it's with rhythm, tough as it can be, swaying to the beat of adversity. There's a rugged vibe flowing through the day. Life's heavy load. If you listen closely now, you will see. Such a tough life, rhythm playing every day. This could be a hard lesson. Life won't give a pass. Many more will feel the pressure, but we keep our spirit like grass through the crack. We rise, we stand, ain't taking no flack. In the heart of the storm, we don't sway, we roar. With every challenge we grow, we soar. Your guidance is strong as we test. In the rhythm of struggle we find our quest. This life, it's a rocky road. Your light, it's the only code. We're skanking through the trials, holding up our load. Chant down Babylon, breaking every code. We now fear the system, nor the heavy load. In every concrete jungle we find.
In the morning light, I greet the day with a heart full of hope, come what may. Through the highs and lows, I'll find my way. In the rhythm of life, I'll dance and sway. With every step, I'll rise and shine. In this beautiful journey, I'll make life mine.
Off into the stars, feeling I could die. Laughing with the angels, holding just sky, just sky, just sky. Bobbing heads in rhythm, dreadlocks swing. Irie conversations when the spirits sing. Light another spliff up, let's climb. Chat with the divine in a high so big, high so big, high so big, high so high, high so big. With the clouds beneath where Icarus flies. Halos in smoke rings floating by. Touch the throne, to blaze, to shine. Had a chat with the Almighty, but the Most High. Most High, Most High. Ganja vibes, blessings rain. No need for wings when you elevate this way.
In the mirror, I don't love everything I see. Swoopy hair, glasses, and those big old chipmunk cheeks. Couldn't run a marathon, but I could sometimes sing in key. I'm like a large pizza with extra cheese and extra meat. But I still go to the gym every day. But when I get home, the sweets are calling my name. I got a dad bod. Yeah, I got a dad bod. Dad bod, yeah. spell? Dad bod. I said D-A-D-B-O-D. What's that spell? Dad bod. I said D-A-D-B-O-D. What's that spell? Dad bod.
Oh.
Excuses, I'm not looking to pass the blame. Now that I've got my baby boy, I think I'm allowed to say that I've got a dad bod. Dad bod, yeah. 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 Got a dad bod. But when I look in the mirror, I don't love everything I see. Swoopy hair, glasses, and those big old chipmunk cheeks. Couldn't run a marathon, but I could sometimes sing in key. I'm like a large pizza with extra cheese and extra meat. But I still go to the gym every day. But when I get home, the sweets are calling my name. I got a dad bod. Dad bod, yeah. I got a dad bod. Dad bod, yeah. I could be like one of those dudes on the cover of magazines, but I'm more like a linebacker, minus the skill and the green. I wear black all the time, cause it hides my funny shape. But even in pictures, I'm still stuck in a bigger frame. Some people just say overweight, but thank God someone came up with this phrase. They call it dad bod. Dad bod, yeah. I got a dad bod. Dad bod, yeah. Bod, 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 bod. Bod, 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 bod. Bod, 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 bod. Bod, 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 bod. Bod, 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 bod. Bod, 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 bod. D-A-D-B-O-D. What's that spell? Dad bod. I said D-A-D-B-O-D. What's that spell? Dad bod.